Yeah. What's up?
18. Are you ready?
Yeah. Waiting on you too, kid.
All right.
Cam hitting in that thing. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I said. It need a. It's sometime though. 1 minute, I don't know if it's what you start off with on a stall speed or 1 minute that bit next minute it's still moving, but nah, I want that every time. I want that All right, guys, we got Robert Vasquez, the Undertaker, coming up next in the right lane. Big block Chevy. What are you gonna do, y'all? Alrighty, guys. Appreciate the new followers. A while ago he stood up. Come on and get on the brakes. I'm gonna teach my people about this. All right, y'all. When y'all do a burnout, y'all go way down there. Now the purpose of the burnout is to get the tires hot. But if you go way down the track and then you start backing up where the y'all back up where it's cold at, you know, you getting the tires back cold. They got it back in the track though. But still though, it's unnecessary sometimes. They must don't know that's a no-no. I don't know. I don't know if the track just... Nah, I ain't think he was gonna. That was no full pass. Cars like that gonna have to make a full pass in order to lure Silver Dollar out here. Track good. I feel a little stickiness on the thing. You can hear it a little bit. All right. I get a track, you know what I'm saying? I'm a good judge. I get a track of 3 on sticky. That's about a 3. It's sticky, but it ain't that sticky. It's just sticky enough to make the noise. But it can't pull your shoe off. Now I feel like when you get to pulling shoes off, you automatically in the 8s. Or nah, I'm gonna give you a 7. You start out, you pull a shoe off, you automatically in a 7. Left side. Come on, y'all. Let's get this event over. Look. Yeah, it ain't that sticky to me.